Okay, number 8, the net of an equilateral triangular prism and sum of its dimensions are shown in the diagram. The height of each triangular base is 5.2 centimeters. Which measurement is closest to the total surface area of the prism in square centimeters? When you see the word total surface area, that means all. So you have to find the area of each shape that you see and then add them together. So we're going to start with the rectangles. The rectangle here is a 9 by 6 to find area of a rectangle. Remember, it's base times height. So you're going to do 9 times 6, which is 54. And then if you look here, this is also 9 because they match. And the height on this one is also 6. So this is also a 9 by 6, which is 54. This one here also has a base of 9 and a height of 6. So those are all 54. Okay, from there, we can go ahead and combine those three by multiplying, since all three of them are the same. So that's 162. Now this is your lateral area, your lateral surface area. So be careful, they don't want lateral, they want total. So go ahead and mark out A because that's the lateral, don't let them trick you. Also, using test taking strategies, if your lateral is 162 and we want the total, which means we're going to have to include our triangles, it has to be larger than 162. So if you look at your answer choices, 54 is not larger. So now you're down to 2 choices. Find the area of both triangles, which happen to be the same size. If this is 6, the base on this one is also 6. And the height on both of them is 5.2. Remember, area of a triangle is base times height. And don't forget, you must cut it in half or divide by 2. So you're going to do 6 times 5.2 divided by 2. I like to make it easier. I go ahead and do 6 divided by 2, which is 3. Then I multiply by 5.2. If that confuses you, go ahead and do 6 times 5.2. Then divide by 2. You're going to get the same exact answer. Okay, when we multiply that out, so 5.2 times 3. Don't forget, you have one number after your decimal, so that's 15.6. So this triangle is 15.6. This one is also 15.6. So we need to combine those together. So when you do 15.6 times 2, that gives you 31.2. Okay, so now we need to take the total from our rectangles, the total area from our triangles, and combine them. So 162 plus 31.2. Remember, adding decimals, you just bring the decimal straight down, which is 193.2. So remember, with total, you must include the area of each shape.